I have read three books written by Arif Kwang, and here are my thoughts. Now, starting with Kitabasis, I think it was one of the most hyped up books after Intermezzo, and I had really high expectations from this one. I really like the description of hell that the author has mentioned in this book, and this book is a story about two undergrad students of analytic magic who descend to hell to rescue the soul of their professor. Now, where this book doesn't work for me is on the relatability factor. I could not vibe with the motivations of the protagonist, nor I could empathize with them. The description of hell is also not much, except for the first few quotes. The author has not described any other quote in detail. Also, I felt that the conclusion was really predictable and it also felt a bit superficial to me. So, although I had really high expectations from this one, I really don't know what to think about this. So, the next book is Yellow Face, and I definitely liked it better than Catabasis. Now, this book is about a white author who steals manuscript from her Asian American friend who dies in a freak accident. While the protagonist and other characters in the book were unlikable, and I also thought many situations and events were exaggerated, this book kept me hooked with its dark and thrilling plot, and I really wanted to know how the story ended. I think this is the only non fantasy book that this author has written, and it was really illuminating to see the dark realities of the publishing industry. My favorite book from Kwang is hands down Babel. This book is about a bunch of kids who are taken from their home countries and brought to Oxford and made to study different languages so that they can help British establish and maintain their rule by infusing silver bars with magic through translation. This book really worked for me because of the historical context it provided. It spoke about East India Company and what all things that they did to advance their rule. I could also feel the plight and confusion of the protagonists when they were forced to work against their home countries. This book is a beautiful amalgamation of history, language, academia, and magic with a fitting conclusion that feels powerful and prophetic at the same time. If you are someone who's looking to get into Kuang, then I would recommend that you start with Babel. Let me know if you have read R.F. Kuang and which is your favorite book of hers in the comments.